PocketGuard Budgeting App Review, Usage Experience. Links to PocketGuard are in the description below. In this video, we're diving into PocketGuard, a budgeting app designed to simplify personal finance management with a focus on helping users understand how much they can spend while still saving. PocketGuard's key feature is its In My Pocket tool, which calculates how much disposable income you have after accounting for bills, savings goals, and other obligations. This helps users avoid overspending and make informed financial decisions in real time. One of PocketGuard's strongest points is its user-friendly interface, making it easy to connect your bank accounts, credit cards, and loans. Once connected, the app automatically categorizes your expenses and updates your budget, saving you time on manual entry. The app also offers real-time transaction tracking, so you can monitor your spending as it happens, ensuring you never exceed your budget. A standout feature is the Goals section, where users can set savings goals for things like vacations, emergency funds, or big purchases. PocketGuard automatically tracks your progress towards these goals and adjusts your budget to ensure you stay on track. This feature is ideal for anyone who has specific savings targets in mind, but struggles to stay disciplined with their spending. PocketGuard also integrates with several other financial tools, like Mint and Simple, allowing you to pull in financial data from different sources for a comprehensive overview. The app also offers insights into your spending habits, helping you make smarter financial decisions in the future. This app is perfect for people who want to focus on managing day-to-day spending without getting bogged down by complicated budgeting methods. It's especially useful for people who want to save for specific goals, but need a simple way to keep track of how much disposable income they have. In conclusion, PocketGuard is an intuitive and effective tool for budgeting and savings management. With its easy-to-use interface, real-time updates, and goal-setting capabilities, it's an excellent choice for those who want to take control of their finances. Check the description for links and more details.